Well, Prime Minister Sita, we sit down out here. We have to just come out con suntan before. Because your chef is going, but brother, one problem we have now. Food. From a barn. White squad never lick me so yet. Go down a palm shop, we go palm sitting there, say a social distance, me can't go in there. Front too full, me have to turn up out the door too long. See, man phone they call me, see if I think they get called back, we go back down there. Yeah. You need to help me, man. So, holiness, we are corporate, but me say you have to send food. You send food at drug center for me, man. Me and teacher Lloyd and Jay. Yeah, man, we need food, man. We are comply with the rules and regulations, man, but we need food. And you have to send it, Mr. Holiness, send the food with some speed, moving, you have to do it fast, cause you know, easy if you turn up here, you know, easy. No, but you know, easy. And I'm one up on me yard, I tell you the truth. You know, take boy if you turn up there. Yeah, man, when you look on the face, man, that's what they happen, man. Don't joke, man, it's one another man. Hungry they beat. Tell him how they go on now.
You can't go long anytime, man. A chance if you can't make it back home. If you don't lick the canvas, Mr. Holness, you can't keep up.
You know, easy.
I went inside, but on the white squad, I let me have to step out.
Let me tell you, man, I live white squad, live with me.
I'm married to white squad.
And see one other man I married with it. And white squad live with me. Mr. Holiness, do.
We appeal to your band.
We appeal, man, we need help. We don't need no more. We are comply with the rule and regulation. We just want food. If you can make it reach our drug center quick. Yeah, man. We need food, man. Let me tell you, we want food. We need food. We need food like lightning bolt. We need money transfer. So we need food. No.
All the mouth what they wait for food going like that. You can't even wait. The mouth wide they wait for food.
Yeah, man. A palm shop where I come from, you know. And we can't make it work. I'm going to tell you the truth. They say social distance. But if you don't know, it's me will drop down. And I say, so I want to say wickedest thing. The way my billiards, I can't keep up. I peel it down, I veil it down. Billiards this have me, man. I can't turn up. See, as a teacher like that. Do, man. Send the food, man. We appeal to you, man. Look at them, man. See, they get cash, and see, that going I can't I can't hold up no, man, I tell you the truth, man. Do what you can do, Mr. Holiness. Oh, Jesus Christ. What me wonder, Mr. Holiness, what we do for them, send them a plague upon me? And I want it, me see they happen. I just cash pot alone, me see left up. Cash pot alone. All of the door closed. And then can COVID come and let go for me. What kind of plague them are? 2 plague me see they have now in our world already. Gambling and COVID. And see it hungry or hurting. But me not kill out my energy, you know, me will save Lily, say me can wait for you. Just find me, man, anything you can, man. And Mr. Holiness, if you can't send the food, send Mr. Bartlett, because I know if you take care of it. Send him. Yeah, man, we need it, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. If we can't get even 4 bags of rice or so, we share up, man. Send him, man. 4 bags of flour. No, we don't want no sugar. Want calming, man. We want some hard food, yeah, man. Oh, if you can send him 1-2 dozen mackerel, man, and sardine, man. Do it, Mr. Holiness, man. Do it, Mr. Holiness. Do it, no, man. Alright, Mr. Holiness. We there, wait, man. We are appealing, no, man. Do it.